Morning, gagawa ko ng chicken pastel. So, ito yung ingredients. So, yung chicken, chop to. Pero tinanggal ko yung wings at saka yung neck part. So, binabad ko muna siya ng konting toyo and a bit of lemon juice. Then, chopped garlic, white onions, canned mushrooms, chopped carrots and potatoes, chopped bell peppers, quail eggs, hot dog, and chorizo de bilbao. So, later, start natin yung pagluto. So, I added oil, onion, garlic. I will add the chicken that I already marinated earlier with soy sauce and lemon juice. I'm gonna stay and simmer the chicken until the chicken is cooked. Carrots and patatas. Hinalo ko na sabay-sabay para tapos na. You let it simmer again for 5-8 minutes. Luto na yung patatas and carrots. So, we'll add the bell pepper. Madali lang kasi maluto yung bell pepper. We'll add the hot dog and chorizo de bilbao. And then, the mushroom. Excuse me. Haluin natin lahat. Ganda ng kulay, di ba? Just look at the color. So lovely to look at. I'm gonna add the all-purpose cream now. For this, I'm going to use two Tetra Packs dahil I use 2 whole chicken for this recipe. Diba? Ang ganda ng kulay. Bit of pepper. And salt to taste. Finishing touch, we'll add quail eggs. Ayan. Ready na ang ating chicken pastel.